Hello. Good morning, my friend. It is Saturday morning and we're gonna be spending this weekend together. We have a lot of fun plans today, so hop in. You're joining me. As always, if you're new here, say hi in the comments. I would love to chat with you, and thank you for spending my weekend with me. We have something really exciting we're heading to right now, so let's get going. This is the outfit today. We're pulling out the overalls. We're going to a community garage sale. This one's supposed to have 25 houses lined up, which I'm so excited for. We are getting there kind of late, so I don't know if like all the deals are gonna be gone, but it's a weekend. We made our coffees on the go, so we're gonna start heading over to our garage sale. I'm so excited. It's been a while since I've been to one. I feel like it's kind of a new moving thing for me. Like the last time I was going to a lot of garage sales and thrifting a bunch was when I moved into my old apartment. But since we're here in a new space and kind of decorating it and furnishing it again, this is the perfect time to find those garage sales. So let's do a little outfit check. This is our first fit check in our new apartment.
Yeah, that is.
$10?
Yep.
Like originally 50 something? Not bad. Finished at the garage sale. Now we're doing a little cafe knit date and I'm running a little late, so I'll see you there. Hey guys, it's many hours later. I just got back from knitting at the cafe. I never got to show you my formal garage sale haul. It's not very big, but I am excited about the couple things that I got. First off, I just got this duffel bag. It looks like Vera Bradley. I don't think it is because I don't see any tag, but I feel like it's good to have like a larger duffel size like overnight bag, and I surprisingly don't have one right now. I was gonna get like the Bagoo Cloud or like a Bays travel kind of bag, but I found this for $5 and I love the prints and everything. I think it'll be perfect. The other thing that I got is for the kitchen. This was one of the first things that we found, and it was a set of 4 bowls, 4 salad plates, and 4 like full-size plates. They're all like this robin egg blue, which honestly, the color is like for me, but we have a lot of like thrifted bowls and plates right now, and I low-key feel like they have lead in them. And so this was a brand new box of all of these dishes, and it was only $10 for all of it, which I thought was pretty good. So we're getting these into the rotation. The other thing I got, so random, I don't know if anyone will care about this. My mom probably will because she watches my videos. Thankfully my dad doesn't, but my dad loves Star Trek, and I got him this Spock card that you can't see because it's coated in 24 karat gold, right? Something crazy. It's like an embossed Spock card. Look how reflective it is. You can see yourself perfectly. So random. Also like $5. So that was my $20 garage sale haul from the day. Powered through it. We were honestly shopping for like just a little bit over an hour. It is a lot later now. I just ate dinner and was knitting a little bit more. At the cafe, I finished this. My first, did I even talk about it in this video? I don't think I did, but I just started my Lakes pullover by Ozetta. And so today I was knitting at the cafe with my friend and I was able to finish one of the saddle sleeves. And then I started the second one. I just finished it now at home, and I think we like connect these and then start working on the back or something else. But it's actually been a while since I worked on a sweater. And so this has been so fun to knit so far. And I'm saying this because it's only rectangles, so it's been very mindless and enjoyable. But for the rest of my Saturday night, I'm probably gonna spend it knitting a little bit. I also do have some editing on my agenda, but I might finish it off tomorrow. I don't know why I'm so tired. Even though like the garage sale, we like drove from store to store, not store, house to house. But I don't know, I feel like being in the sun drains me, and I wasn't even in the sun for that long, but I don't know, I'm just like way more tired than I feel like I should be. I feel like it's just weeks of moving and like things that I've just been building up. So I might just resort to knitting all night, which honestly sounds great. I have some editing that I want to do, and a lot of times I've been like finishing it on Sunday because I used to post on Saturdays. Then since getting a new job, it's like impossible to finish it during the work week, so now I do a bulk of my editing on the weekend. But I did do a lot of editing last night, so I just have like finishing touches and final things to add for my video that I hope to get up on Monday. And it's a knitting video. It's been so long since I've done a knitting video because all my recent ones were about moving content. So that's the rundown. We'll see what I'm up to. I am filming a full YouTube video project vlog on this sweater, so I'm going to work a little bit more on this to at least film the next step, and then I guess we'll just see where we go from there. We have an update. I finished both of my saddle shoulders. Beautiful. And the German short rows is making me sweat. Hallelujah, I figured it out. I'm at one of those points where like, like I don't know what I'm doing, but it's all part of the plan. Believe it or not, I have just been knitting in silence, which I never do. It's always knit in a show, knit and yap. Oh, you have a drink for the occasion. So I got a little carried away with knitting, but we have other responsibilities, and that is working on the dresser, which has been looking like this for the past week. Let's see how much work we can put in right now. We are currently on, I think, step 5. I don't actually remember. Let's see where we can end off though. Do it.
Let's get into it.
This is our stopping point. Voila! Happy Sunday. We just finished church, so we're doing the regular things, which includes grocery shopping, and I think we're gonna get boba after.
Doesn't so good.
We got one coffee from a Vietnamese restaurant, and this is from a boba shop, but we've been into getting coffee from restaurants and trying it out, and this one's actually really good. It's usually cheaper, and this was really fast.
Crazy strong.
It's really strong.
This one's good.
This one's a coconut.
Oh, it's coconut? Okay.
Yeah, coconut cream on Vietnamese coffee. And then this one is Phoenix Oolong lemon tea. Hi guys, it's 6 p.m. now. I don't know where the day has gone. I feel like Sundays are always kind of like that. But as I think I mentioned yesterday, I tend to finish my videos always on Sunday to upload Monday. So that's what we're doing right now. I actually did get a lot of editing done last night. So all I really have to do is my final run through where I add text and just like review everything and then go through the process of actually uploading it. So I'm hoping to get all of that done in like an hour maybe. I like it when my Sundays are productive but also relaxing, but I also kind of like to set myself up for the week and get myself kind of like caught up and prepared for what I have during the week and try to get all my tasks done and be productive. But then at the same time, I love to end my Sunday night off with some knitting, some TV, relax time. So I'm trying to get this editing in right now so that I'm not doing it right before bed. So let's get our session in now and see how long this takes me. Just like with everything too, there's like certain parts of editing that I like more than others. And my favorite part of the entire process of making a YouTube video is making the thumbnail. So that's also kind of my little treat at the end. And I'm almost to that point with this video that I'm making right now. So once I get it in the uploading process, then I usually watch a YouTube video while I make my thumbnail. So it's kind of just like fun. It's kind of like doodling. So let's get to editing. Honestly, so proud of myself. It's not even 8 p.m. It's almost 8 p.m. My whole video is finished. It's just getting processed on YouTube, but it's all there. There's always a couple of last minute things I do once I upload it, like checking on links to other videos, checking the description, tags, stuff like that. But that's all like 5 minutes. I also just finished my thumbnail. Ooh. I feel like it's a little different from what I usually do, but I'm kind of vibing with it. I'm also trying to like synchronize all of my videos a little more. Honestly, I feel like I'm really bad at doing that, and I don't know. You can tell me below. I'd actually really appreciate it, but I don't know if a lot of people who follow me on like one account actually watch my videos on my other account. And even if you do, I don't know if other people care, but I feel like it would kind of make me feel better. I scratch a little part of my brain if everything was just really seamless, had the same editing style and aesthetic. I don't know, just my editing for all my platforms is kind of all over the place, but I would love to use more of the same fonts and colors, make it all kind of just more cohesive. That's what I'm trying to do, but I also want to figure out what I like, which is like, how have I not figured that out since I've been doing YouTube and other socials for so many years? But anyways, I really like how this thumbnail turned out, even though it's super simple, but like, hey, the simpler is better if it works. So we'll see how this video goes. Uploading it tomorrow. But now that we're done, I think I'm gonna wash up kind of early. It's not like insanely early, but I love to shower as soon as possible. Hi guys, how late is it even? Oh my gosh, it's not even 9. I just showered. My video is fully uploaded and finalized and scheduled for tomorrow. I'm just thrilled. I feel like I'm pretty on top of it right now. You guys might not think so. I don't know if 9 is a good time to be done with everything. I feel like I kind of sleep a little bit on the later side, but 9 is pretty good for me. So I think right now I'm going to treat myself with a little knitting. However, I've been not so good and I've been getting a little distracted. I don't know why. I've just been in kind of a shoppy mood, whether it's like apartment shopping or clothing shopping. What am I saying? I literally just placed an order at Old Navy like an hour ago. So bad of me. I would say that my ideal like Sunday night in my old apartment was to like sprawl out on the couch and watch YouTube on my TV, or I don't know, Secret Lives of Mormon Wives or Dancing with the Stars, just whatever my fixation is. Watch that on the TV and like knit. But I will say say since I moved into a bigger apartment, I probably spend like 90% of the time in this office. And I don't know, I might get sick of it. I might feel like I'm working too much or something, but I have just been so grateful to have an office now, and things just lined up really well with our lease and me starting my full-time job, where, if you didn't know, I work from home 4 days out of the week. And so I started that job like 2 months ago. I was really only in our old like 1-bedroom apartment for a little over a month while I was working that job, and it was like fine, but I didn't really have a great desk setup. The lighting was really bad in there, and now that I'm in this apartment that has like overhead lighting everywhere, my old apartment only had like the outlet switch, so we just basically had like 1 lamp per room. And I'm realizing I was kind of like depriving myself of light, because I was wondering to myself, like, why do I feel nauseous every single day? And it's because I was working in the dark for like 6 hours in the day. Anyways, I used to love watching TV and like doing my stuff, but since having this office, I love like watching YouTube on my desktop monitor, and then on my laptop I'll like do a little Facebook marketplace shopping, or I'll knit literally at my desk. And I have the TikTok, maybe you can actually see here, I have the TikTok shop like crisscross chair, which I love for working, but I also just think it's like comfy to lounge on, because honestly when I knit, I would love to knit crisscross applesauce wherever I am, so it's kind of perfect. But all of that rambling to say, even though I finished my editing work, I'm gonna sit here and knit and keep watching YouTube, and maybe I'll get distracted and do a little more online shopping while I watch YouTube, who knows. But yay for me, this is like my dream Sunday night. So thanks for hanging with me. And I've asked you guys this before, but I don't know, maybe things have changed, maybe there's new people here. How do you like to watch your YouTube videos? I would love to know, because like everyone else, I think I started off being a phone girl, then I moved to iPad, then I moved to TV, and now I'm doing like computer monitor / TV. Let's resume. All right, guys, it's a lot later now, but I think I'm just gonna end off this video here. I just wanted to thank you for spending this weekend with me. I feel like today was a pretty typical Sunday, but it was also really fun to fit in the garage sale and get started on a new knitting project all in this video. So as always, thank you guys for joining me. If you want to see more weekend videos and just hang out, make sure to subscribe and let me know what other videos you want to see below. And in the comments, if you stayed till this point, let me know what your favorite thing to do on the weekends is. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Good night, guys.